Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Luna Classic update today. I'm actually trying to cook my next trade for the next month, and I think we're gonna get some amazing prices. So this is the pattern that I'm secretly looking at the moment, and I'm actually thinking of getting my trades down here because it does look like this is an amazing place to enter for this particular coin. And if it does drop down there, which I think has high probability of actually dropping down here, if it bounces off back, we're getting 40% out of it, right? So that's the trade idea for my private people for September. Back into Luna Classic. Luna Classic, previously I told you that it has to break above this particular resistance. We have to break this and break that, and then we can actually continue to go all the way up to this technical target, which you did fail to do so terribly, right? And then from there you started to drop down. Now this drop down, however, is not bad because again, you do have a falling wedge, and the falling wedge, it looks like it has been broken, and the retest is being performed right now for Luna Classic. So this was your resistance number 2, number 3, and a very clear break, right? You do have the very clear breakout. So it does look like on a perfect scenario, we're about to see Luna Classic from here go all the way back up, right? That's the most perfect scenario that I can talk about. So if it does end up doing something like that, I will say if Luna Classic ends up coming to 7,017 inside here, then it's gonna be the end of the game. If it does come down inside the triangle again, that's gonna be a fake out, and you're going to see 4774, probably 5,000 area as your next level of price support. And that's all for the video. If you want to be a part of Discord for my next trades private, comment Discord and I'll generate a link for you and you can join. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.